Here are a few LP quick tips to jumpstart your siding remodel project. When installing lap siding with the butt-to-trim method, you must install your corner trim first. Now, accounting for slope, find the end of the wall that's closest to the ground and place a mark on your trim 6 inches from the ground. Measure from the mark up to the soffit and make a note of it. Next, go to the other corner of the wall and measure down from the soffit the same distance as the other side and make a mark. Use these 2 lower reference marks on your trim to ensure your first course of siding is level with the building and not the ground around it. If you're installing 8-inch LP SmartSide lap siding, make a mark every 6 7/8 inches up to the corner board. Now you can install a 1.5-inch starter strip of siding to give the first course the proper angle. Install each course following your pencil marks while checking for level along the way. Be sure to place nails 3/4 of an inch from the top edge of the lap siding to help keep your siding tight to the wall. If you decide to mount your trim over your lap siding, follow the same instructions to line up your courses. When you finish hanging your lap siding, install a 1.5-inch spacer along the top of the wall to provide a level area to nail your freeze board. For complete instructions, visit lpsmartside.com.